also that if you will be on the center, it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Make
easy.
you happy more, yeah?
Yeah, it will make you happy more. But you don't know.
Yeah.
Yes. In the test area, you don't know.
You have to be ready, yeah.
Yeah, you have to be ready and you know how to do it.
That's good, yeah. Hello guys, once again, welcome my new video. This strike showing you it's same strikes what we do last time for the video. I'm just want to say for those people going for exam, try to learn this way. At least you have to strike when you go for your exam. If something happened there, like I said before, you can handle the problems. If you come near to drum, comfort drum, at least you can handle. So don't wait always. My car, I need to bring it center. When you are there in exam, you have idea how to handle the problems between the drum and the bunker. It will work with you there. At least you have idea, you know what to do. It's very easy. Shireen, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, Mr. Ahmad.
We're doing
Thank
great, really.
you for your for your patience.
So, what do you think about this strike? Now?
Yeah, I like it. This is what which I prefer because you don't know if your car will be on straight or not because at the test area you don't know what will happen. So at least you know how to do it, how to fix your car so that you will not touch any of the drums. So like if you are almost near, you will not be in the center when you do the reverse. So just put your car on straight, then a little go back, and then just after that, if you are in the right, turn your steering on the right, and then slowly go back. Because the important is you don't touch any of the drum.
Okay, Miss Shireen, she wants to bring the car back center. So let's see. Always she wants center, but now she don't care. I know. Whatever she come, she can fix it here. It's okay, that's good. But now she said I will bring it center. Let's see what she will do. Yeah. Yes, some. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly center, huh? Good deal. Miss Shireen, what's happening today? You are big different, really.
Wallah.
See? When you want
Sometimes
bring...
straight, sometimes
when you
not
that
straight.
time you see I will bring it center, it's coming center. Alas, you are professional now.
Wallah, inshallah, I will pass the first drum.
I'm afraid maybe you will become better from me. يا قلبي قبط حطة. Here we go again. See again, see. Before she said, I want to bring my car center. Now when she understands the strike, she say I don't like my car coming center. Because now she can make it if she come nearby the drum. That's okay for her. go. At least when you reach this area, no need to think what I can do. Go back, reverse, until here, you stop. And then turn your steering fully right, coming from right. Fourth line straight, you can fix your steering. Right. Rain. Ay, today holiday. Aywa. He's ready for the exam. Inshallah. Inshallah, he will take us to the KFC if you pass. Yalla Shirin, go ahead. So when I'm seeing you are reversing back. I already decided you are ready. So what do you think about yourself? What do you think? You are ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Very good,
Yes.
very good.
Yes.
Khalas.
Yes.
When you pass, inshallah, take us to the
Because
KFC.
you have already I hope so, because even me, I want to make it on the first attempt only for the drum to fall.
No, you're doing great. I
Yeah.
guess. But
Because
last-
of all the tricks that you taught me, all the advice, so you can apply it during
you are okay here. I can see, but when you are in exam,
Yeah, because you don't know.
No
You
more fear,
of course
huh?
you
No
cannot.
fear, no
yeah,
yes, focus.
of course in the test area there is a fear that you will feel because it's an exam, right? But of course, if you want to get the license, of course we need to have
Yeah.
a courage.
Of course.
Yeah.
Good luck, inshallah.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Yalla. Can continue to practice.
Practice. Thank
Yeah.
you.